Having personally encountered the persistent Fing App error 401 unauthorized code and exhaustively tested numerous solutions, I've successfully identified the definitive methods to overcome this frustrating issue. And I'm ready to guide you through each one right now. First, we tackle verifying your account credentials, because a 401 error fundamentally indicates that the server received your request but deemed your authentication details invalid or altogether missing. By logging out, clearing browser data, and meticulously re-entering your username and password, you ensure the generation and transmission of a fresh valid authentication token or session ID directly to the Fing server, thereby validating your identity. Next, clearing your browser data is crucial. Browsers often store cookies and cached information which can become corrupted or simply outdated. An expired session token or a malformed cookie can actively prevent the server from recognizing your authenticated status, directly leading to that unwelcome 401 response. Erasing this data forces a brand new authentication handshake, resolving potential integrity issues. Our third approach involves inspecting your network and firewall settings. Aggressive network restrictions or a misconfigured firewall can block the crucial authentication request from ever reaching the Fing server, or worse, prevent the server's positive response from returning to you. Temporarily disabling a VPN, reviewing firewall rules to explicitly allow Fing's traffic, and ensuring proper DNS resolution guarantees an unobstructed communication path for your authentication to succeed. Finally, updating and reinstalling Fing is a powerful last resort. Outdated app versions or an old browser might harbor bugs or compatibility conflicts with the latest server-side authentication protocols, causing your requests to be improperly formatted and subsequently rejected. A clean reinstall provides you with the most stable and compatible software, refreshing all core files and configurations, ultimately eliminating any software-related authentication failures. These methods systematically address the root causes of the 401 error, restoring your access